These compact and cozy dwellings are more than just a trend. They represent a lifestyle shift towards minimalism, sustainability, and intentional living. Now, let's get into the fun part, exploring different tiny house designs. There's a mind-boggling variety out in this video, catering to diverse needs and preferences. Before we explore specific designs, let's define what we mean by tiny house. Typically, these homes are under 400 square feet. Though some might push that limit slightly, they're often built on trailers for mobility, but can also be permanent structures. The key principle is maximizing space efficiency and functionality in a limited footprint. Let's now head first into tiny living. It's crucial to consider your lifestyle and needs. Do you enjoy spending time outdoors? Can you function in a small space, or are you comfortable with minimalism? Now, you might wonder why someone would choose to live in such a small space. Well, the reasons are diverse. Some folks are attracted to the financial benefits. Tiny houses are generally cheaper to build and maintain than traditional homes, leading to lower mortgages and utility bills. Others are drawn to the minimalistic lifestyle. Living tiny encourages decluttering and prioritizing experiences over possessions. It's about focusing on what truly matters and reducing your environmental footprint. For some, it's about simplicity and freedom. Tiny houses offer a chance to escape the clutter and busyness of modern life, promoting a closer connection to nature and a more intentional way of living. Living in a small space requires some creative thinking. Tiny house designers have come up with ingenious ways to maximize every inch. The beauty of tiny house living is the opportunity to personalize your space. Don't be afraid to get creative and express your unique style. Decorate with cozy throws, hang artwork, and add pops of color to make it feel like your own. Research extensively, talk to tiny house dwellers, and even try out a vacation rental tiny house before making a big decision. Remember, it's not for everyone, but for those who embrace it, tiny living can be incredibly rewarding. So, are you ready to downsize and embrace the tiny house lifestyle? I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of tiny living. Remember, it's not just about the square footage. It's about living with intention and finding joy in simplicity. Whether you choose to build your own dream tiny house, or simply appreciate the clever design and sustainable ethos, I encourage you to embrace the spirit of tiny living in your own unique way. Remember, tiny houses are more than just homes. They're symbols of freedom, resourcefulness, and a connection to something bigger than ourselves. So, let's continue to explore, innovate, and share the stories of this inspiring movement. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of tiny house designs. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on tiny living, and hit that subscribe button for more adventures in space-saving design.